Okay, well, another good deed for a customer. I swear I have one of these. It might be the exact same model. What is the model of this one? Ooh, nasty on the bottom. So let me go ahead and zoom in on it just a little bit. This is made by Kaz USA Incorporated. Model HT906V1, made in China. Why does it say Kaz USA if it's made in China? I don't get it. Anyhow, date '03. Holy crap! But anyhow, this is a Honeywell, and it's a fan of all things. You've never seen me service a fan before. Let me grab the one that I think I own that might be the same model. We'll see what it says under here. This is the one that I own. And, oh my God, it's the same stuff. Oh, what is that? Kaz, a Helen of Troy company, HPF H60BWM, made in China, thermally protected, conforms to blah, 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 standard 507. The Honeywell trademark is used under license, Kaz.com. So that's the one that I own, and it was manufactured in 15. Why doesn't this one have all the Honeywell stuff? Focus, you fuck. There we go. Yeah, a little bit different model. 120, 60 hertz, 0.8 amps. And what is this one that I own? Just curious. Sorry for wasting everyone's time. Is it the same current? Yep, same 0.0 or 0.8 amps. So, I'll put that one down. Get this one zoomed out where you can actually see what might be going on here. So I do have my kilowatt set up here, and I'm just going to power this thing on. And it is drawing 60 amps. And it's above the rating of 0.8 by 0.85. So if your fan makes that noise, stop using it. Stop. Just stop right now. Because it needs oil. You could probably save it. This one might be too far gone. I'm not sure. The customer used this one up until, well, this. So let me go ahead and pop the front off of it, and we'll have to pull the fan motor and everything out of it. So give me one moment. So there is 1, 2, and I believe 3 somewhere in here, and 4 somewhere over in here screws. Let me get those out, and then we will come right back. One moment. Okay, all the screws have been removed. There are actually 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And as I recall, we may want to wash that in the dishwasher real quickly, or just hose it off. And as I recall, on the fan that I owned, this is a 10 millimeter, but is a left-hand thread, so tightening it up actually loosens the nut, like that. So it is left-hand thread. Oh, that one does not want to give up. Oh, there it goes. Okay, got it. Oh, yeah. All right, so power is still applied. Let's go ahead and power it on. Yeah, look how slow it's turning. That's actual speed. Yeah, that is actual speed. All right, so let's remove the power from this thing so I don't get electrocuted. Move some stuff around here. One moment, please. So we need to get the fan motor out of this thing, get it apart so that we can add oil to the bushings. These are not bearing motors, they are bushing motors. So it looks like, take these 3 screws out right there. When I say looks like, it may not be true. And then this whole, no, does not. Do I have to take these out too? Well, it's a little bit looser than it was. So I know that we have to remove the knob and this doohickey right here. I think it just clips on. I thought it just clipped on. Maybe there is a screw. I can't tell. Let me get a flashing light and we'll look down in there. And I don't see anything. So I think it's just going to be a matter of finding a flat-bladed screwdrivering machine. That's a Phillips. Come on, I want a flat blade. That's a Phillips. Hello, are they in the wrong containers? Okay, that one's flat. Okay, that's off. And maybe I can pry this one up. I thought that just lifted off. Okay, one moment, please. Well, I'm thinking this one got me on the last one. I think this little cover has got to be pried off. And then look at that. Winner, winner, chicken sushi. There is a screw in the back. Oh, it does not want to come out. No, nope, okay. No, it will come out like that. And where'd it go? Okay, well, never mind. There it is. A waterfall, a waterfall. So now, what? Do I have to take all this gobbledygook apart? Really? Nylock. Holy crap. So I think I need to get this separated. What's that one screw right there? Maybe I can just release that and it'll pull everything apart. I doubt it, but we'll try. And nope. The answer is no. Well, how'd they make this thing? All right, give me one moment.